Here's a Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card as well as double check the mobile settings. So the first thing we got to do is take out the SIM slash SD card tray that's up here. As you can see, and see that little hole right there. So go ahead and grab your SIM ejection tool and you want to go ahead and stick the needle into that little hole out of your box. The SIM ejection tool is right there. Okay, if you don't have that laying around, you can always use like a thin paper clip or a thin bobby pin or the stud of a back or the stud or a stud earring, the back of a stud earring, as long as it's kind of long and like thin. Or you can always use a different SIM ejection tool from a different phone or tablet or iPad or whatnot. Okay, so top left hand side, you see a little hole right there. So we're going to put the needle into the hole, and what I'm going to do is press towards the phone, and then as soon as you press towards the phone, the lip will pop out just a little bit. You can see right here. Okay, now I'm going to leave it just like this. I'm going to slide it out just like this, and then I'm going to remember it just like this, so this way I know which way to put it in. Okay, so I'm going to leave it just like this. Now you can see for my phone here I have 3 slots. Okay, I have an SD card, SIM 1, SIM 2. Now a lot of you guys may not have SIM 2, you just have SIM 1. Okay, anyway, here's my SIM card here. And I only have one SIM card, okay? At least one SIM card that works. So I'm just going to use this one here. This is the main one that I need. If you have a SIM 2, then this one doesn't work, but you would put it in the same way, okay? There's basically like a little diagonal cut on the bottom right hand side, and both SIM cards go in the same way, okay? Anyway, I just have one SIM card that works here. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and slide this in. I'm going to slide it in very carefully. And up here right now it says no SIM. Emergency calls only, and it says no SIM. Okay, I'm going to pop this in here and let's see if it finds it. This is my first time putting this SIM card into this phone. All right, we're getting some. Okay, so I see data bars, reception bars up here, and I can see T-Mobile here, which is my carrier in the US. So now what I want to do is just double check the settings. Now I have T-Mobile here, so sometimes when you insert the SIM card first time, it may ask you to restart the device. Okay, it's asking me to restart, so let me just go ahead and restart here, and then once I boot back up, we'll go into the settings and double check the mobile settings. Okay, it's booting back up here. Okay, so I'm signing back in now. And now what we're going to do is go directly to the settings. So we'll go to the settings. Oh, there it is, settings. Let's tap on that right there. And then from here, we're going to tap on connections right here. Tap on connections. And then mobile networks down here. Okay, let's tap on that right there. Now we can see by default, they turned my data roaming on. Some of you guys may want to turn that off, or some of you guys get charged to a certain point and whatnot. And I can see my network mode here. 5G LTE right there, that looks good. And my network operators, you can see, well, it's automatically set to automatic, and you can see T-Mobile down here. So it looks like I'm good to go. Oh, and I got the 5G up there too. Nice phone. Pretty simple. Good luck.